Alright, so this is the question that I got. I'm using a Python script with Abacus. It runs perfectly every time. However, when I increase the number of nodes in my mesh above 1 million, I get a tuple index error. Alright, so if you're using tuples and you're getting index error, there are a few reasons for that. And I'm not sure about the exact reason, but I'm going to give you a few reasons here. You can check back with your code and let me know if it works for you. So the number one reason for this type of error is that you don't have tuple value. Now it doesn't mean that tuple is completely empty. It can also mean that that specific index that you're trying to access does not have any value. For example, I'll start with a very simple example and then I will proceed on to the million value. So t equals to, this is your tuple, right? So we know this is a tuple. Type of t is tuple, right? Now if I try to print any value here, it will give me an error, right? So if this is the case, you can actually make use of if else. So in that case, you can just check for the length of t, and if it is 0, you can just pass, else you can print the value, right? So it will not give an error. Okay. And the second reason could be, the error could also be due to trying to access the value of an index that does not exist. So in the first case, tuple is empty. Second case is that value actually does not exist. So if you know how tuples work, you would know that to access any value, you have to use an index number less than the location of the value in the tuple. So for example, if I have tuple of 3 values, 1, 2, 3, right? Its length is going to be 3 and I want to access first value. So location is number 1, but I have to use index number less than the location number. So I'll have to use a of 0, right? So in this case, if I try to write a3, this is going to give me an error because a3 does not exist, right? If I want to access 3, this is how it starts. This is 0th position, this is first, and this is second. So 0, 1, 2. So to access the last value, I have to write 0, 2, right? And you're also using Abacus, so I'm not sure if it has something to do with the environment of coding, but that shouldn't be the case. And since you're using million nodes, you might be using range function for more than a million nodes, right? So in that case, so because range function makes accessing million values it's very easy to use. It is very easy to access million values using range function. So you might be using range function, and let's say these are the values, right? Okay, so now if I want to access a value here, right, because I'm making use of range function, and so if I want to access the last value, I need to write, so here since we are using range function, right, the length of the tuple is going to be less than even this number. So if you try to access this last number, it will give an error if you are using a range function. In simple words, let me show you in a new program video. not a video, I mean in a new screen. So a equals to, let's say I'm using range function. So this is what is actually happening with the, could be happening with the millions values. So if let's say I have 1, 2, 3, right? So earlier when I was trying to access the last value, I was able to get 3, but in this case, because this is how range works, it will exclude the last value. So in this case, when you try to access the same value, you will not get it, because length of the tuple, as you can see, is not 3 here, it is 2 here. So if you are using range function, this could also be giving you the index out of range or index error. If you are using a simple tuple, in this case obviously you are dealing with index, different index are to be used, so you can easily access 3 using a 2. But if you are using range, because range is also, you're using range here, it's not just a tuple. Obviously this is going to be a tuple, but you're accessing the values from range function, so that could also be the reason. I hope this helped, and you can go back to your code and check if you are creating your program using these rules, and let me know if it works.